Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Doris during the Meteor Shower in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Doris is a special NPC in Heartopia, and you can only find her during special event such as the Meteor Shower and the Rainbow event, or during the rainy or snowy condition. And now the meteor shower is coming. As you can see, you can check the weather on your watch. Okay, and during the meteor shower, usually Doris is at the fishing village, okay, near the fishing village bus stop. So you need to immediately go to the fishing village, and you will be able to find Doris right here near the bus stop. Okay, once you find Doris, you can buy special furniture from the fortune store. Okay, you can buy the meteorite basil sink, meteorite bathtub, and so on. But to buy all these furnitures, you need to collect the Starfall Shard. You can collect the Starfall Shard here around the fishing village. And don't forget to equip your axe. Okay, you just need to search around here, then mine the Starfall Shard. Alright, the Starfall Shard is like this, then you can mine it. So you can buy something from Doris' special store. Okay guys, and that's how we can find Doris during the Meteor Shower in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!